Hi folks, welcome back. If you like this video, feel free to like and subscribe. Also, let us know what cars you'd like featured by placing a note in the comments section. Mercedes recently announced the new CLE Sports Coupe, which will replace the C-Class and E-Class two-door models. This new model is the largest in the mid-size segment, measuring 4.85 meters long, 1.86 wide, and 1.86 wide and 1.42 meters high. It has a wheelbase of 2.8 meters, which is 25 millimeters longer than the current two-door C-Class. This new variant will remain a direct competitor to the BMW 4 Series. From what we've seen, it will be a worthy successor to the E-Class Coupe. The CLE Coupe has a sleek and aerodynamic exterior design. It's got a long hood, a sloping roofline, and a wide stance. The front end of the car is dominated by a large grille and swept-back headlights. The rear end of the car features a pair of LED taillights that are connected by a light bar. There are also a number of optional exterior features, like a panoramic sunroof, a rear spoiler, and different wheel designs starting at 18 and rising to 20 inches. The CLE Coupe's larger dimensions translate into significantly more space for passengers and cargo. Rear passengers benefit from 10 millimeters more headroom, 19 millimeters more shoulder and elbow room, and 72 millimeters more knee room. The rear boot volume is also 60 liters larger and can easily hold 3 golf bags. These larger dimensions also give it a more imposing stance on the road. It looks more muscular and aggressive than the C-Class, and it has a wider track for improved handling. If you're looking for a mid-size coupe with plenty of space and a sporty look, this may be a great option. It's the largest coupe in its class, and it offers more space and cargo capacity than the competition. 2 powertrains are available: a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder and a 3-liter turbocharged 6-cylinder. Both engines are paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission. All-wheel drive will be an option. The 2-liter engine produces 255 horsepower. It's sufficient for most drivers, and it gets good gas mileage. The EPA estimates 24 miles per gallon in the city and 33 miles per gallon on the highway. The 3-liter engine produces 375 horsepower. It's more powerful and offers a more engaging driving experience. The EPA estimates that the CLE Coupe with the 3-liter engine will get 22 miles per gallon in the city and 30 miles per gallon on the highway. Standard technology features include a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, a 11.9-inch touchscreen infotainment system, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a Burmester sound system, a Wi-Fi hotspot, and a panoramic sunroof. On the safety side, features include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, forward collision warning, and automatic emergency braking. It has been awarded a 5-star overall safety rating from the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration and been awarded a top safety pick rating from the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety. It has not yet been officially priced yet, but it is expected to start around $59,000. This would place it in between the current C-Class Coupe at $49,900 and E-Class Coupe price of $69,000. And there you have it, folks. That's a quick look into the new coupe from Mercedes. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating insights into the world of automotive tech. Until next time, drive safe and have fun.